Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Alia Modi.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in the Silicon Valley. Imagine living in a beautiful property, literally 15-20 minutes away from the airport, next to all the parks, schools, shoppings, and restaurants. What do you think, Alia?
Absolutely, Eddie. This property is just a little piece of paradise.
Right.
We have no rear neighbors,
Yes.
no front neighbors. There's a park up the street. It's just spectacular. You have to take a look.
Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 664 Esplanade Ln, an exquisite executive home in the sought-after Basking Ridge community with breathtaking views from every room. No front or rear neighbors, just rolling hills. The home is tucked away on a private driveway with only one other home. The grand floor plan greets you with vaulted ceilings, beautifully elegant walnut floors, modern fans and light fixtures, and an abundance of natural light gleaming throughout the home. The newly updated gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances will please the most discerning chef in your family. There's a spacious ensuite bedroom downstairs, perfect for guests, an au pair, or extended family. Private balcony of the master suite has exquisite hillside views, perfect for watching the sunset or a morning cup of coffee. An updated master bath has phenomenal views from the soaking tub, a large walk-in closet with custom organizers, and gleaming contemporary features. The backyard is a dream with a private patio, designer fountain, and a large side yard complete with vegetable planter to satisfy your green thumb. The highly rated retail Ledesma is walking distance. Parks, trails, shopping, and restaurants are just steps away. Easy access to all major Silicon Valley tech companies via nearby 101 and 85 freeways. Enjoy epoxy floors in the garage, plenty of built-in space, and a water softener. You don't want to miss this one.
Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you witness, it's a gorgeous property, and if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you soon.